The ground speed control lever should be adjusted so that they can be moved through their full range of motion without contacting the operator's legs. To adjust the position of the ground speed control lever forward or backward, loosen the mounting hardware. Adjust as needed and retighten the mounting hardware. If the ground speed control levers need to be raised or lowered, remove the hardware. Reposition the lever as needed and reinstall the hardware. Always be sure to adjust both levers so that they are aligned. After adjustment is complete, tighten the hardware to 13 foot-pounds.